Hello there. Here is a quick, detailed and easy to understand method of cutting and sewing these exaggerated ruffles with smocking effect. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to measure the area where you want to attach the ruffle to. For me, it's around the shoulder, so I will measure the round shoulder circumference on this dress like so, and what I get is 47 inches, as you can see. Next, I will measure my preferred length for the ruffles, and I want it to be about 7 inches in length. Now I will fold the fabric into 4 equal halves because I'm trying to cut a full circle flare. So now I will divide the round shoulder circumference I measured earlier by 6.28. That is 47 divided by 6.28, and that is about 7.5 inches approximately. So I will measure 7.5 inches round from the corner of the fabric like so. I will measure it round so that when I am done I will have a small circle like this. Now from this circle I will measure 22 inches as the length of the ruffles, but by the time I sew it, the length should be around 7 to 8 inches because it will be folded into 2 later on, and the smocking effect will further decrease its size. Now I will also measure it round so I can have a perfect circle. Then I will proceed to cut the circle out. I will go ahead to notch these points at the top and bottom, and also the midpoint at top and bottom. Then I will fold the circle into 2 like this, making sure that they are equal and well laid by pinning it together. Once I am sure that it's now equal, I will notch this part as well at the bottom and the top. These notches are very important so that when I fold it into 2 later on, it will be easy for me to match notched points together. So now I will slit one end of the fold like so, and when I open it up, this is what I have. Then I will go ahead to fold the piece into 2 and pin aligning notches together like so. Now that I am done pinning together, here is what I have. You will notice that there are excess pockets. These excess pockets will be gathered to each sectioned notches. So I will grab my hand needle and start gathering. Now I'm done gathering, and I have sewed it all down with the sewing machine, and now this is where it's looking like. So this is the back of the flare. As you can see, it is not gathered. The gathering effect is only on the front. On this back part, I will draw as many squares as possible. Honestly, I am not measuring. I will just go ahead to draw the squares, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I will grab my needle and thread and basically pass the needle and thread through all 4 corners of each square like so. And when I pull the thread, this is the effect on the front part. So now I will knot the thread and cut it, and then I will go ahead to do the same to all the squares. But I soon realized that this process is long and will take all my time, so I will be using the sewing machine to continue sewing all the sides of the square together. I realized that using the sewing machine is definitely faster and easier, and it yields the same result, so there's really no need for unnecessary labor. Anyway, I'm done smocking now, and this is what it looks like. So the next step is to attach it to the round shoulder circumference on the dress, and then finish up the rest of the dress. And once I'm done, this is the final result. Please guys, if at any point you have questions for me regarding my tutorials, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section for me, and I'll respond to them as soon as I can. Anyway guys, till the next time you'll be hearing from me, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and have yourself some fabulous time.